students, this is Nidhi Ghetia. Today we study about our subject, that is pharmaceutical organic chemistry 1. That's code is a BP202 PP. Okay, so in our first chapter, that is introduction of the organic chemistry, today we learn this chapter. Okay, some part of this chapter. So in this chapter we includes the in classification, then nomenclature, and then isomerism part of the organic compounds. Okay, so in today's our study of the content is an introduction and classification of the organic compounds. Okay, so introduction of the organic compounds, introduction to organic compounds, either organic chemistry. Okay, so in first, what is organic chemistry? So it is a branch of the science that is totally concerned with the atoms, that's called organic chemistry. Okay, chemistry is a branch of the science that is chemistry are totally concerned with the atoms like carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, sulfur, any atoms. Okay, so that's called organic chemistry. Okay, then organic compounds. So the first definition of the organic compounds, that is the study of the carbon containing compounds. Okay, in simple words we learn that any carbon containing compounds, that's called organic compounds. Okay, in these compounds carbon linked with the other atoms like hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. Okay, and the organic compounds are generally available in a gaseous form, a liquid form, and also that is a solid state. Okay, then organic compounds are mostly based on the carbon cycle. Okay, then organic compounds that contain only hydrogen and carbon, that's called the hydrocarbons. Like example of the alkane, alkene, alkyl, any alkyl groups. Okay, then first organic compound synthesized in a 1928, that is urea. Okay, it is a for the knowledge or information, that's the first organic compounds discovered in a 1928. Okay, then classification of the organic compounds. Organic compounds are mainly classified in a two classes. That is, first one is a acyclic compounds, that is open chain, and second one is a cyclic compounds, that is a closed chain. So first one is a acyclic or open chain compound. These compounds are also known as aliphatic compounds as they have branched or straight chain. Okay, so example of the ethane and isobutane, any compounds having a straight chain, either branching system, that's called the acyclic, either aliphatic compounds, either open chain compounds. Okay, then second one is a alicyclic or closed chain, either ring system, either either cyclic compounds. Okay, so in these compounds are carbon atoms are connect to the each other in a ring system. Any carbon atoms are connect with the ring structure, making the ring structure attached with the atoms and making the ring structure, that's called the alicyclic compounds, either closed chain, either ring system compounds. Okay, so cycloalkane and cyclohexane are the examples of the carbon containing compounds, ring system compounds. Okay, then third one is aromatic compounds. These are the special type of the organic compounds which contains the benzene and other ring related that compounds. Okay, in these compounds mostly first main basis of the benzene ring. So any compounds having a benzene ring, that's called the aromatic compounds. Okay, so benzene ring and naphthalene are the example of that or aromatic compounds. And this heterocyclic atoms. So what is heteroatom? Oxygen, sulfur, and nitrogen, these three are the heteroatoms. Okay, So organic compound having one or more heteroatoms in the nucleus are known as heterocyclic compounds. That is a furan, thiophene and pyridine. Okay, these are the examples of the heterocyclic aromatic compounds. Okay, so today we over the our first 2 points, that is learn today we learn the first 2 points, that is introduction. In introduction, first one is a classification, first one is a introduction and classification. Yes. Okay, so thank you to all.